The Clor-N-Oil test kits are a proven method for the fast and economical testing of PCBs and insulating fluids like transformer oils. The Clor-N-Oil kits are easy to use and provide on-site results by colorimetric reaction in only 5 minutes. The kits are available for 3 different action levels, namely 20, 50 and up to 500 ppm. The test is used as a first evaluation for oil samples in order to sort out PCB-free samples. Positive Clor-N-Oil results always need to be verified by laboratory analysis. Please note that in case of sample contamination, for example by solvents, salts or other particles, the kits can give a false positive result. If the instructions are followed carefully, false negative results should not occur. Every package contains everything necessary for the performance of the test. First of all, remove contents from the box and place the 2 plastic tubes into the holder at the front of the box. Preferably, place all materials, including the oil sample, on an absorbing mat. During the test, it is recommended to wear safety gloves and safety goggles. Unscrew the black dispensing cap from tube 1 and, by using the plastic pipette, transfer the specified quantity of fluid into the tube. Then replace the black cap securely. Break the bottom ampule and mix thoroughly by shaking the tube vigorously for about 10 seconds. Then break the top ampule and shake again for 60 seconds. The content should now appear gray. Remove the caps from both tubes and pour the clear buffer solution from tube 2 into tube 1. Replace and tighten the black cap securely back on tube 1 and shake vigorously for about 10 seconds. Then vent the tube carefully, shake for another 10 seconds before venting the tube again. The sample should no longer appear gray. Turn the tube upside down on its cap for 2 minutes. The sample will now form 2 different layers. If the oil layer is below the buffer layer, discontinue the test at this point as the oil is primarily pure PCB. If the oil layer is above the water layer, continue the test. Open the nozzle on the black dispensing cap and position it over the top of tube 2. Dispense the indicated quantity of the clear solution into tube 2 by squeezing the sides of tube 1. Be careful not to point the nozzle towards the operator. Now replace the cap on tube 2. Now break the bottom ampule and shake for 10 seconds. Then break the top ampule and shake again for 10 seconds. Observe the resultant color and compare to the color chart. In case of a CNO 50 ppm test, a purple solution means that the oil sample contains less than 50 ppm PCB. If it appears yellow or colorless, the oil sample contains more than 50 ppm chloride and is a strong indicator for PCBs and should therefore be tested further in an accredited laboratory. After checking with the color chart, take the disposal ampule and drop it into tube 2. Replace the cap on the test tube, crush the ampule and shake for 5 seconds. The solution should now appear colorless, meaning that it is neutralized. Please note that in Switzerland and in Europe, used and/or expired Clor-N-Oil kits are generally eliminated as hazardous wastes in high-temperature incineration plants. Landfill is neither allowed in Switzerland nor in the EC. The chosen disposal method must always be in compliance with your national laws.